Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Remnant 2 game crashing on your PC or crashing on startup. I will show you guys the very effective solution that definitely fix your problem. So first make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, simply open it. And guys, here you just need to close all the background application. Now you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. Now if these are above the 90%, then this means this is the danger symbol. And on the top you will see the application that consume the most of your system RAM and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and click on the end task. Now you will see the startups on the top, just click on that, and now here just disable all the application you are seeing here, because these applications start automatically when you start your PC and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these that are useless and just disable these. Now the next setting is go to the Windows set tab with the game mode and open it. Now here you just need to make sure that your game mode is on. It will close all the background processes when you are on the game, so this is very important to turning it on. Now the next important fix is system configuration settings. So go to the Windows set, type it and open it. So once you open up the system configurations, go to the boot on the top, then click on the advanced options, then just check the box of number of processors and just select here the maximum number of processors you have. Guys, if you have the 4, 16 or the any value selected, then just click on the OK. This will increase your game performance. Then just go to the services, then just check the box of hide all microservices, then just disable all of these, because these are the services that consume the most of your system RAM and causing your game crash. So you just need to make sure that you disable all of these, then click on the apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes, then launch the game. And this solution fix your any kind of crashing or crash on starter problem in this game. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video and please consider liking, and bye bye and take care.